Hello, today I'm reviewing cord minder brackets. So this will be a complete review and demo of the DeWALT cord minder brackets. So you can actually see how it works and decide if it's a good fit for you. So the features I love about these brackets, they're made out of powder-coated finish and they could easily be mounted on a 6-foot shelving unit or 4-foot shelving unit. These brackets can also support up to 50 pounds of weight. And you also don't need to take the whole cord out. You can just unravel the amount you need, use it, and easily put it back in place. So in my family, we love to put these brackets on all of our shelving units. Because in reality, you never know if you need to hang something, because it could be used for cords, for tools, for buckets, maybe jackets, I mean, you name it. I love these brackets. And I love that these brackets can lock into place, but also could be rotated 90 degrees or just all the way down, so you can easily take the stuff off. It also comes with these locking pins. And overall, if you wish to organize your cords or just have an extra heavy-duty hooks on your shelving unit, I highly recommend these DeWALT cord minder brackets. Thanks for watching.